Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction. My name is Rina Cynthia. I'm from the Department of Mathematics Education, Tarbiyah Faculty and Teacher Antasari, State Islamic University, Banjarmasin. In this video, I will discuss about rectangle and triangle for 7th grade junior high school. What is a rectangle? What is a triangle? A rectangle is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. A triangle is a flat shape that has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Kinds of rectangle: rectangle, square, parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus, kite. Rectangle formula: circumference equal to bracket length plus width. Width equal length multiplication width. Nature: 1. The length of the opposite sides are equal and parallel. 2. All 4 angles are right angles. 3. The diagonal are the same length and beside each other. Problem example: a rectangle has a length of 28 cm and width of 9 cm. Then its area is cm squared. Answer: canal length equal to 8 cm, width equal 9 cm. Blurry asked: width equal length multiplication width. Width equal 28 multiplication 9. Width equal 252 cm squared. Square formula: circumference equal 4 sides. Width equal sides squared. Nature: 1. Opposite sides are parallel. 2. All 4 angles are right angles. 3. The diagonal are the same length and beside each other. 4. All 4 sides are the same length. 5. Each angle is divided by 2 by the diagonal of the diagonal. 6. Its diagonal are perpendicular to each other. Problem example: if the side of the square is 5 cm, what is the area of the square? Answer: width equal side multiplication side. Width equal 5 multiplication 5. Width equal 25 cm squared. Parallelogram: square formula: circumference equal to bracket A plus B. Width equal A multiplication T. Nature: 1. Opposite sides are parallel and the same length. 2. The opposite angles are equal in measure. 3. 2 adjacent angles are complementary. 4. The diagonal of the parallelogram divides the area of the parallelogram into 2 equal parts. 5. The diagonal beside each other with the same length. Rhombus: circumference equal 4 sides. Width equal 1/2 multiplication diagonal 1 multiplication diagonal 2. Nature: 1. All sides are congruent and opposite sides and parallel. 2. Opposite angles are congruent. 3. Its diagonal divides the angle into 2 equal measures. 4. The 2 diagonal are perpendicular and beside each other. 5. The diagonal divides the rhombus into 2 equal parts, or the diagonal is the axis of symmetry. 6. The sum of the measures of 2 adjacent angles. Problem example: the lengths of the diagonal of a rhombus are 12 and 9 cm respectively. Determine the area of the rhombus. Answer: White equal 1/2 multiplication diagonal 1 multiplication diagonal 2. White equal 1/2 multiplication 12 multiplication 9. White equal 54 cm squared. Kite formula. White equal 1/2 multiplication diagonal 1 multiplication diagonal 2. Circumference equal 2 multiplication bracket A plus B diagonal 1 equal bracket 2 multiplication L divided by diagonal 2. Diagonal 2 equal bracket 2 multiplication L divided by diagonal 1. A equal bracket 1/2 multiplication K minus B. B equal bracket 1/2 multiplication K minus A. Nature 1. The lengths of two faces of adjacent sides are equal. 2. A pair of opposite angles are equal in measure. 3. One of its diagonal divides the kit into two equal sides. 4. The diagonal are perpendicular to each other and one of the diagonal divides the other diagonal into two equal lengths. Problem example. A kite has diagonal lengths of 10 cm and 15 cm respectively. Then the area of the kite is. Discussion. White equal 1/2 multiplication diagonal 1 multiplication diagonal 2. White equal 1/2 multiplication 10 multiplication 15. White equal 1/2 multiplication 150. White equal 75 cm squared. Trapezium. Trapezium formula. White equal 1/2 multiplication bracket A plus B multiplication T. Circumference equal sides 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. T equal bracket 2 multiplication L divided bracket A plus B. Nature 1. The sum of the measure of two adjacent angles between two parallel sides of a trapezoid. 2. In a isosceles trapezoid, the measure of the angle of the base are the same. 3. In a isosceles trapezoid, the lengths of the diagonal are the same. 4. A right angle trapezoid has exactly two right angles. Problem example. A trapezoid has parallel sides 10 cm and 12 cm respectively and has a height of 8 cm. Then the area of the trapezoid is. Solution. White equal 1/2 multiplication bracket A plus B multiplication T. White equal 1/2 multiplication bracket 10 plus 12 multiplication 8. White equal 1/2 multiplication 22 multiplication 8. White equal 1/2 multiplication 176. White equal 88 cm squared. Next, triangle. Triangle by side, based on the angle, based on the nature. By side. 1. Isosceles triangle. 2. Equilateral triangle. 3. Any equilateral triangle. Based on the angle. 1. Acute triangle. 2. Right angle triangle. 3. Obtuse triangle. Based on the nature. 1. Acute isosceles triangle. 2. Isosceles right angle triangle. 3. Obtuse isosceles triangle. Square formula: circumference equal side plus side plus side. Width equal 1/2 multiplication A multiplication T. Problem example: a triangle has a base of 5 cm and height of 6 cm. Calculate the area of the triangle. Discussion: width equal 1/2 multiplication A multiplication T. Width equal 1/2 multiplication 5 multiplication 6. Width equal 15 cm squared. So many explanation about the material about rectangle and triangle for me. Happily useful and can help. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.